Hi, my name is John Erickson, and I am reading for the role of Billy.
You'll have a hunchback in a few years if you keep living that virtual life.
What do you mean?
It's like you're reverting to the actual physical shape of a Neanderthal. You're devolving.
Stop badgering.
Look at me.
I am looking at you.
You're looking at your phone.
Happy?
I don't think it's too much to ask.
You're always asking for something.
I want to have it.
Are you insane? I thought a baby would ruin your career.
I changed my mind.
How typical. Isabella. Buongiorno. Yes, she's available. Of course she can appear in a swimsuit next June. St. Bart's would be fabulous. Ciao. Ciao, ciao. See? You don't want to be a hippo posing for the cover of Italian Vogue, do you? I mean, come on. You've worked so hard for this. Now, you just want to toss your future up in the air like a deck of cards? This is the life you've always wanted. Get your head on straight. Come on.
You never change.
You're obsessed with change. Is it even mine?